Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. Today I have taken one question from exercise 3.4, question number 2, Roman 3rd. That question is the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9, full stop. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Full stop. Find the number. Now we shall learn how this type question will be solved. This is a word problem which will be converted into a mathematical form. Thereafter, solution can be obtained. Let us see. First of all, go through the word problem very carefully twice or thrice and underline the key point itself in the word problem. Now I am going to underline the key point here. Here it says the sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. 9 times this number twice the number obtained by reversing order of digit. Find the number. Now what we'll do here? Now come to the solution here. Solution is equal to, let the digit at tens place be x and the digit at unit place be y. Now I have left here, let the digit at tens place be x and the digit at unit place be y. Now let us understand 40 tens place and unit place. I shall explain this thing in the extra pen column. How will proceed? Let us see. Here it says digit at tens place. Let any number be there that consists of two digits. Let here I am explaining to you 65 a number be there. Then in 65, 5 will come at unit place and 6 is there at tens place. What we'll do in this case? If 5 is there at unit place and 6 is there at tens place, in this case, how will be adjusted? Now 65 can be written as 6 is there at tens place. This means that the digit 6 will multiply to 10. Why? You can see here 6 is there, the digit 6 is there at tens place. That's why 6 will multiply to 10. After that, you add 5. Why 5? Because here 5 is at unit place. So you will add, now 65 will become 65 equal to 6 into 10 plus 5. That comes out to be 6 10 ja 60 plus 5 comes out to 65. On this pattern, here it says two-digit number. Here it says two-digit number. Two-digit number. It says in the given word problem. Here you can see that Here I have let the digit at 10 plus Vx. 10 plus digit is here x. Here 10 plus digit is x. And here I have let the digit at unit place digit is y. On the same pattern I have explained earlier as in the case of 65. The same pattern this will be followed here also. The two-digit number, what will be two-digit number? If tens place digit is x and unit place digit is y. Similarly, we will do here. What we will do here? Here you can see tens plus digit is x, so here write x. Since x is there at tens place, just multiply x to 10. Now the digit y is there at unit place, add here y. So now the number will become 10x plus y. This will be the desired. On this basis, you can proceed further. Hence, the required number equal to 10x plus y. This will be the required number 10x plus y. Now come to next. Here it says the sum of digit of a two-digit number. Now two-digit number I have got here 10x plus y, in which 10 plus digit is x and unit plus digit is y. Now it says a two-digit number, sum of digits. This means that according to first condition, implies that the sum of digit is here x and another digit is y. Both will be added together. That will become equal to 9. This is equation number 1. Now here I have formed equation number 1. According to first condition, implies that x plus y equal to 9. Here it says sum of digits. Just I have made the sum of digits. 10 digit is x and unit digit is 10. I have made sum of both. The output is here 9. It says 9. Now I have formed equation number 1. Now come to next. Now it says next, according to second condition implies that second condition here says 9 times this number. This means that the number is this one, 10x plus y. Cause 9 times it will become, implies that 9 times of 10x plus y. Here leave some space in between. Here said 9 times of this number, original number is this one. Of 9 times I have got here. And it says is twice the number of 10. Twice. Here put twice. Is है, is means equal to. Is means equal to है. Twice I have written here twice. The number. Now you have to frame another number with the help of the thing explained here, obtained by reversing the order of the digits. This means that two digits here x and y are there in order. Now digits will be reversed. This means that in place of y you will put x and in place of x you will put y. On reversal it will become 10y plus x. Now both digits x and y have been reversed mutually. The new number will be 10y plus x. Or twice is this number. Now do the operation further. Here it will become, here you can say bracket there. When bracket will be broken, 9 will get enter inside. So this will become here 90x plus 9y equal to, here also it will become 20y plus 2x. Now imply that 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y equal to 0. Now it will become 88x minus 11y equal to 0. This will become equation number 2. Now I have framed here two equations. As per first condition, equation is x plus y equal to 9. And second equation I have framed according to second condition, 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Now by taking both equations together, by taking both equation 1 and 2 together, here you will write x plus y equal to 9. 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Here you can see equation number 2 is 88x minus 11y equal to 0. I have written 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Now what to do? Here you can see minus 11y is there in second equation. Here only 1y is there. So what will do? You will apply here elimination method. So if you multiply equation number 1 by 11, you can easily get here plus 11y. Here it is already there in minus 11y. Both will be crossed out. You will easily get the value of x. So now what you will do? You will apply here elimination method. But before that, do here one thing. On multiplying by 11 in equation 1, we get here it will become 11x plus 11y equal to 99. This will become equation number 3. If you multiply x plus y equal to 9 by 11 in both sides, here you will get 11x plus 11y. 9 will multiply to 11, it will become 99. Now just below write here equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Here you can write equation number 4. Now this equation number 2, the same equation number 2 has been renamed as equation number 4. Now to do operation here, just draw line here. Here you can say plus and minus sign is there. Plus and minus sign, opposite sign are there. But here 11y is there, here 11y is also there. Signs are opposite here. And now this on adding both will be crossed out. Now add the both. This side, left side, things will be added together. Here you will get 99x. This will become 0, become 99. Now we have got implied that x is equal to 1. Because here 99 will go to the right hand side, there it will divide. So here x is equal to 99 upon 99 comes out to be x equal to 1. Now we have got the value of x equal to 1. Now here you will write, putting x equal to 1 in equation number 1. Here equation number 1 is x plus y equal to 9. Implied that here put x equal to 1 in this equation, it will become 1 plus y equal to 9. Implied that y equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Implied that now you have got the value of y equal to 8. Here the value of x is 1 and value of y equal to 8. Hence x equal to 1 and y equal to 8. Now, therefore, required number equal to 18. Now I am going to explain here. You can see required number equal to, since you have got required number is there in 10x plus y. Here you have got value of x equal to 1. Put here equal to 1. This will become 10. 1 will be put together. After that, the value of y is 8. Here 8 will be added. This comes out to be 10 plus 8 comes out to 18. The answer will be 18. Okay guys, thanks.